have something different in my mind, so I worked on it and I made a multiple functional microcomputer just by using a single microcontroller. Here you can see that the microcontroller its number is 8051. It is by Intel. Well, this project has 12 functions and all of them are fully controlled by this keypad. You can even jump from start to end or either from end to start. You have totally control on this project using a simple keypad. That's why I called it a simple microcomputer that just have a single IC. Okay, I will show you it's working. Here I have start button. Here you are, man. Press B for go below, A for go above. We do have function below set, so we will press B. Here we press a B. Now you will see that 1 for intro, 4 for alphabet. Let's see the alphabets now. Here you will see all the alphabets, small and capital, both of them. Here you have them. Let's go to some other function. I again press B. 1 for intro, 4 for alphabets. No, I will press 7 for digits. It will show you all the digits as it is mentioning that digit time. Let's select some other function now. Here I am. Seven for digits and 2 for lights. Let's see different type of lights on these LEDs. Everything is controlled by this simple keypad. Here you will see the different type of lights, man. You are going to see them. Oh, wow! Here you are, man. Crazy, baba. Yeah. Here you are. Small. Here you are, man. Wow. Here you are, man. Here you are. There is the smart. Now let's select some other function. Now I'm going to use it as a counter in the door. As I will move my finger in front of it, it will count how many times I've moved that finger in front of the light. But it will count in hexadecimal. It means that 0 to F. F stands for 15 in computer language, so I will show you that now. Below, again below, again below. Now I will press 5 for 7 segment interfacing plus counter. Here you will count.